Experience effortless cleaning with the best suction upright vacuum, designed to tackle dirt, dust, and pet hair on carpets, hardwood, and tiles. Its powerful performance ensures every corner is spotless, making home maintenance faster, easier, and more efficient. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Shark Brushroll Upright Vacuum. The Shark Brushroll Upright Vacuum is a top-tier option for those seeking a combination of versatility, power, and pet-friendly cleaning features. One of its standout attributes is the self-cleaning brush roll, designed to tackle hair from pets or family members without the frustrating tangles that can reduce cleaning efficiency. This vacuum operates at 120 volts with a 1200-watt motor, providing ample suction power to lift dust, dirt, and debris from various floor surfaces, including carpets, hardwood, and tiles. Its lift-away functionality enhances its versatility, allowing users to detach the pod for reaching underneath furniture or to convert it into a portable unit for above-floor cleaning, such as on stairs, upholstery, and furniture. This feature makes it ideal for deep cleaning challenging areas, while the swivel steering ensures easy maneuverability around tight corners and furniture, reducing the effort needed to navigate the home. Shark has also focused on allergy-conscious cleaning with anti-allergen complete seal technology, which works in tandem with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum, keeping the air cleaner as you work. Pet owners will appreciate the included pet crevice tool, which reaches hair and debris in corners, ceilings, and between cushions, ensuring no hidden spots are missed. Additionally, the upholstery tool provides gentle yet effective cleaning on delicate fabrics such as curtains, lampshades, and shelves, making it a multifunctional home cleaning solution. Number 2. Shark Duo Clean Upright Vacuum. The Shark Duo Clean Upright Vacuum redefines home cleaning with its innovative dual brush roll system and intelligent sensors, making it one of the most technologically advanced upright vacuums on the market. Its Duo Clean technology combines a soft brush roll for hard floors and a bristle brush roll for carpets, ensuring superior dirt, dust, and pet hair pickup on every surface. The system is complemented by 4 IntelliSense sensors, which detect hidden dirt and automatically adjust suction power and brush roll speed, delivering an optimized clean without constant manual adjustments. Shark's Dirt Detect feature further enhances precision cleaning by identifying deeply embedded debris and boosting suction power only where needed, making vacuuming more efficient and focused. Edge Detect technology ensures that dirt along walls, corners, and under baseboards is removed without the need for additional attachments, while Floor Detect uses an ultrasonic sensor to determine floor type and automatically adapts performance, guaranteeing consistent results on both hard floors and carpets. Direction Detect technology adds an extra layer of convenience, directing suction to the forward or reverse direction depending on how the vacuum is being pushed, saving time and energy during large cleaning sessions. The vacuum's powerful suction, combined with advanced cleaning technology, Number 3. Shark Power Fins Upright Vacuum. The Shark Power Fins Upright Vacuum is engineered for households with pets and high foot traffic, combining innovative hair-capturing technology with versatile cleaning features. Its Power Fins Hair Pro system actively grips long, short, and pet hair on carpets and hard floors, ensuring a deep clean without repeated passes. Like other Shark models, it features a self-cleaning brush roll to prevent hair wrap, minimizing maintenance while maintaining suction efficiency. The addition of odor neutralizer technology is particularly valuable for pet owners, as it helps guard against unpleasant smells inside the vacuum, leaving a fresher home environment. This vacuum also features anti-allergen complete seal technology paired with a HEPA filter, trapping 99.99% of dust and allergens inside, which benefits allergy sufferers by improving indoor air quality. Its 3XL dust cup allows for extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying, making it ideal for larger homes or areas with heavy debris. The extendable hose provides up to 12 feet of reach, enabling access to above-floor surfaces, including stairs, furniture, and high shelves. while swivel steering ensures smooth maneuverability around tight spaces and corners. Pet hair and everyday dirt are efficiently captured from carpets, rugs, hard floors, and upholstery alike, making it a versatile tool for whole home cleaning. Number 4. Shark XL Dust Upright Vacuum. The Shark XL Dust Upright Vacuum offers a combination of power, versatility, and convenience for households requiring reliable daily cleaning. With strong suction, it excels at deep carpet cleaning and removing pet hair from all types of floors, including hardwood, tile, and rugs. Lightweight and versatile, the vacuum converts into a handheld model, enabling floor-to-ceiling cleaning without extra effort. Specialized pet tools are included to target embedded hair in hard-to-reach spaces, while the XL Dust Cup with a 0.68 quart capacity allows longer cleaning sessions without frequent emptying, making it ideal for larger homes. Its LED headlights enhance visibility, revealing hidden debris and pet hair in corners, under furniture, and along walls, ensuring nothing is missed. The vacuum comes equipped with essential accessories, including the Shark Rocket Pet Plus corded stick vacuum, Pet Multi-Tool, and Pet Crevice Tool, providing a complete cleaning solution right out of the box. Swivel steering allows for smooth navigation around furniture and tight spaces, while the lightweight design reduces fatigue during prolonged cleaning. This vacuum balances strong suction with portability and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for pet owners and households with varied flooring types. The Shark XL Dust Upright Vacuum is ideal for anyone looking for a combination of power. Number 5. Bissell Swivel Upright Vacuum. The Bissell Swivel Upright Vacuum delivers strong, versatile cleaning performance, especially for homes with pets. Designed with scatter-free technology and a triple-action brush roll, it quickly and efficiently captures pet hair, dirt, and debris from carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. The vacuum's swivel steering enhances maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces, while its lightweight design makes it easy to use and carry without strain. A quick-release extension wand expands reach for above-floor cleaning, allowing users to clean shelves, curtains, and staircases effortlessly. Bissell's focus on pets extends beyond performance. Every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping to save homeless pets. The vacuum combines effective suction, precise hair pickup, and convenient handling, making it a reliable tool for busy households. Its user-friendly design ensured that cleaning is straightforward, and the durable construction ensures long-term performance. By offering strong suction, swivel functionality, and specialized pet tools, the Bissell Swivel Upright Vacuum provides a comprehensive cleaning solution for households seeking efficiency, ease of use, and pet-focused cleaning capabilities. It is particularly well-suited for removing hair and debris in homes with multiple surfaces, maintaining cleanliness without extra effort. This vacuum balances performance, convenience, and social responsibility, making it a practical and thoughtful choice for pet owners and busy families who need reliable, everyday cleaning. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.